Welcome again here at the Altarian booth at AUVSI Xponential 2021. My name is Romeo, and now I have the pleasure to introduce somebody special here. We have very good guests, and now we have somebody from Boston Dynamic. And who is that somebody?
Yeah, I'm Tim Dykstra. I'm the Director of Strategic Partnerships and Channel Sales at Boston Dynamics, specifically working on the Spot platform. So I appreciate you having me here, Romeo, and excited to chat.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for coming by. So we're on the floor again. We're able to showcase technology. We're able to see new technologies. How does it feel?
It's amazing. I mean, for me, technology is best seen in person live. And so being here, seeing the excitement from people to finally be on the show floor, looking at technology and really getting to experience that technology is exhilarating to a certain extent, especially with the Spot platform. We have these videos online, but nothing's like experiencing it in person. So it's really exciting for us.
That's so true. And you had quite a busy morning this morning. You kicked off the conference with a keynote. What was the theme of your keynote?
Yeah, so the theme of the keynote was, Boston Dynamics is a brand name. I don't want to say a household name, but a lot of people recognize that name. But it's through our viral videos. And sometimes the viral videos are showing really cool robotics technology. Maybe it's dancing, doing parkour, but they don't necessarily know how to apply that technology. So, the point of the keynote was to say, hey, this is Boston Dynamics. This is who we are. You may know us, but this is how Spot has really been started to be used by industry over the last year. And we talked a lot about the use cases, where people are leveraging Spot, how they're using Spot to do industrial inspection, and that was the main focus.
And it's so true. I mean, we're here in this robotics world. 10 years ago, I started with drones, and at that time, we had a similar phenomenon happening. That how do you apply this to regular life? It's fun to fly a drone. It's fun to take aerial pictures, but how does it help me in my job or make my job more efficient? And it's great that you are at that space where you can share these real life use cases and showcase that your technology makes a big impact. So it's really exciting.
It is, and it's funny you bring that up because we share some kind of joint former colleagues among one another, and one of my old colleagues was in the drone space during that time when it was coming up and building up, going from a hobbyist to an industrial tool, and oftentimes he would say, Tim, the drone industry 6, 7, 8 years ago is just like the quadruped industry and the UGV industry that we're at today. And so, I see those parallels as well.
And, when we look around here at Xponential, we see a lot of aerial technology.
Yes.
And now, we're starting to see more and more also ground-based solutions. What do you think the future will be like?
Yeah, I think it's going to be a future where each tool has its own place. I'm a firm believer that these different technologies can meet certain aspects of a company's desires and what they want to do with inspection technology, or how they want to leverage this technology. And drones fit great in some areas, and ground robots fit great in some areas. So, to me, it's not about, hey, what technology will prevail? It's more, how are people going to leverage both technologies, and maybe even surface or underwater technologies in the future, and how will they use all those tools at their disposal to really make the most out of their inspection tasks?
Now, we live in exciting times, and it's fun, and it's also challenging at times to be part of it all, because it's groundbreaking what we're doing. And thank you so much for stopping by, sharing your thoughts. And I have a feeling we will see more of Spot in the coming days.